Are you wondering how to make the best out of your visit when you go back home after living abroad for many years, or maybe to just move abroad? So today in this video I will share with you my 3 tips that I use every time I come back home after a long time. Hi, my name is Susanna, and I created Abroad with Susanna to support international women when living abroad, to pursue their dreams and create something that you love and you feel fulfilled and engaged, motivated. So today I want to talk about make the best out of your visit when you're coming back home. For me, after living abroad for more than 24 years, what it came across the best, the best tips I can share with you are this. Very simple, very, very simple. The first one is to be present on the moment, to be here, to feel what's around you, your family, your friends, the weather, everything, the moment precise. Do not, think what you were doing back home, what you're doing where you live now, or your friends that you have now, but instead check what you're doing here. What is your life here in this precise moment? And enjoy this moment so then you can treasure it. The second tip would be to be grateful. Be grateful of the opportunity to be able to be back home and enjoy your family, your friends, again, the food, maybe the weather, the culture that you can relate to. And the third one as well is to reconnect. Reconnect without judgment. You have evolved. Of course, now you're a bit different person because you have grown. Going back home, it gives you the opportunity to reconnect with your roots, with your traditions, without judgment, and certainly not comparing anything that you have learned, what you have had since you were a kid, right? Take what you have and you have learned over the years, but as well take what you were before and see if you can still use it. So to reconnect without judgment. Do not compare. Just reconnect with your roots and be grateful for that. What do you think? Are these tips practical to you? Can you relate to that? Let me know. Let me know down below. Left your comment, and let me know what do you do when you go back home. And if you like these tips, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel, Abroad with Susanna, and I'll keep posting more videos. See you on my next one.